Honorable judges, respect audience, and everyone here today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'inu ala umuri dunya. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'i amma ba'du. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. First of all, thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us many mercies and blessings so we can join in this competition without any obstacle. Secondly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Margaraita from Mechanical Engineering, University of Nahdlatul Ulama Al-Ghazali, Cilacap. In commemorating Language Month and Pledge Day 2020, I will make a speech about the role of youth for advanced Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, youth are the hope of the nation because the true future of the nation is in their hands. As cited by Bung Karno, the greatest orator the Indonesian nation has ever had. Give me 10 youth, which will shake the world. The sentence states how important the existence of a youth community is and has a very extraordinary role as the spearhead of change in the nation. Today, youth are embraced and become important pillars as that asset. There are so many young people who have extraordinary potential. We will call it Mayudi Ayunda, Jerome Pauline, Cinta Laura, and many more. There are some of the young people who are expected to be able to bring about change in this nation. Then, why youth can be a state asset? Of course, because they have a fresh mindset and work ethic, so that the opportunity for a nation for progress is even greater. Progress will never be achieved in the real sense if the future is only seen as a continuation process from the present. But how the younger generation responds to their progress by giving birth to ideas, determination, aspiration, sacrifices, and goals in the present to change Indonesia which is stranger. Indonesia is already independent, but the struggle to defend independence and strengthen the Republic of Indonesia is much heavier. Therefore, it is necessary to have awareness of the nation and state. It appropriate to be given especially for young people as the nation next generation. Before I ended this speech, someone once said, "Youth is a time full of passionate hopes, sacrificeful and aspiration, and full of the romantic of a beautiful life. Use your youth to change the reform and development to the nation." Hopefully, the youth are able to maintain and feel the independence that has been achieved so far. So many speeches from me. Apologies if there are mistakes because perfection belong only to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.